Hey y'all, so I got here late to the campground, so it's really getting dark. It looks way lighter on camera than what it really is. It is getting dark out here, but my van is a mess, so I'm trying to clean that up right now. So I think I'm gonna make a hamburger. Since I got here so late, I don't really have time to make much. And what sucks is one of my burners, it doesn't work anymore. So I think I can take it apart and fix it, but of course not tonight. So I think I'm probably just gonna cook the fries outside on a picnic table and just cook the burger in here. But it's already super dark outside. It's starting to get really cold, so let me go ahead and get started. And oh my goodness, my lips. They are just chapped today. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh my gosh. And let me see if I can find some chapstick. Yeah, I just saw something run over there. I'm hoping it was a dog, but oh my goodness. Y'all, I really wish I could have gave y'all a better video than this, but I slept all night. Just woke up at 6:30 in the morning, and I know I fell asleep around 8. So I didn't cook. I didn't make any burgers. I didn't do anything. I didn't even get to like walk around that much and explore. And that's how you know I just woke up. Forehead just shiny. Yeah, gross. Alright, y'all, so I didn't get to do anything basically, which really sucks because it took a lot for me to take off tonight just to come here, and then I slept, which I could have just done in any parking lot. So I am kind of bummed about that. It is cool to be out here though. It's not super loud, well, right now, because everyone's asleep. But there are a lot of kids and families here this weekend, but oh, I'm so sorry, y'all. I guess we just gonna lay back down. I can't even really watch TV because my tablet is dead. And it takes forever to charge. I swear it takes like 24 hours to charge that tablet, if not longer. Like, this tablet sucks. And my phone does too lately. It's only at 6% and it's been charging for about 40 minutes. So I'm not sure what's going on. Crazy. But I realized that the way I live is I still live like I have a house or an apartment. Like, I grocery shop like I have a house or an apartment, so I'm always overflowing with groceries, with like all my hair care stuff and all that. There's no way it can fit in one little drawer, so that stuff is everywhere. I brought more stuff in trying to organize, so I just have stuff everywhere, y'all. I'm just not organized. And I haven't been for months, and I don't know what is going on. Like, I don't get it. It's one of those things where I just cannot get my life together. I just cannot. And I'm talking to y'all looking like this. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Whew. I better not say sorry again. Like, what am I really sorry about? It's life. I mean, but today was supposed to be amazing. Like, yay, y'all. And it's like, I slept all night. And I have nothing for y'all. So I'm about to go relax again. And I'll get up in a couple hours, in like an hour or two. Yeah, I might get up like 8:30 and cook, shower, walk around, and then it's time to head out. So I drove all this way to sleep. That's beautiful. All right, I'll see y'all in a little bit because I'm just complaining at this point. Bye, y'all. So I still look crazy, but that's cool. I'm not even tripping right now. Besides having to crouch. But the more I do this, every trip I take, like, don't get me mad. I was mad I slept my whole night away because I don't have many nights to enjoy like this. So I was a little frustrated earlier. Don't get me wrong. But I'm just starting to realize I'm supposed to be doing this all the time. And that's why it's frustrating that I only have one day like this, you know? And then the rest of my days are now just work. And I can't just relax in here. I can't travel. I can't really enjoy my space. Does that make sense? Not this. Not my ponytail being to the side. Really? Okay, it's just gonna be like that. But basically what I'm trying to say is I think I need to give myself a hard deadline to be done working. Because I'm gonna be real with y'all, working is not for me. I know it's not for half y'all either. Like, we're not supposed to be working this hard to survive. I don't need much. I just need enough so I can gas it up in here, you know. A little stash for savings just in case anything happens, and enough to eat. I just want to be out on the road already. And I know a lot of y'all are like, why are you working 3 jobs? It's so I can save money, so that this summer I can get out on the road. But I keep saying this summer, but I haven't made like a specific deadline, you know? When should that be? I don't know. Maybe I should, like, maybe by my birthday. Maybe by my next birthday, I want to be in here 100% just traveling. Okay. All right, so I need to budget. I need to see where I want to go, how much gas costs now, and then add a good dollar onto that just in case, because you know they be raising the prices sometimes in the summer. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I'm really just starting to realize my life has become just work. I don't have time for me, self-care, just to relax. Like, I think I'm gonna book another night here. I have to be at work in the morning, tomorrow morning. So I may just stay like half the night. You know what I mean? But I really just kind of want to, like, actually, I slept. I got my, you know, my sleep day out the way. So I kind of want to enjoy just a little bit more time out here. So I might do that.